Longevity technology, inspired from the most successful model on Earth. Just like Yoshiko Nakamura, 101-year-old centenarian woman, she is still living her best life. She still cooks her own food and from time to time would sing karaoke with her friends. Innovation Labo also inspires from successful models in nature like the immortal jellyfish, which is able to regenerate after an injury. As you would inspire from Warren Buffett to get rich, Innovation Labo inspires from centenarians and jellyfish to develop health and beauty solutions. In 1997, Innovation Labo started a study on centenarians. Study started in France and completed in Japan, Okinawa on 26 males and females. Study shows that centenarians have low inflammation even if they don't have a healthy lifestyle. In 1999, we reached statistical conclusion that gut microbiota play an invisible role of this longevity. This has been confirmed by measuring metabolites and strains of bacteria from skin and feces of centenarians and correlate them with genes expressions possible to generate such positive impact. By studying the centenarian, we discovered that microbiota is the key to longevity and health. We started a project Reversed 100 to determine the metabolites behind the perfect homeostasis of centenarians. Instead of approaching the health issue to solution model, Innovation Labo reverse engineers microbiome solutions from the perfect model. We identified 30 types of strains that we called superbacteria responsible for producing unique matrix of metabolites. In the year 2000, we conducted fecal transplants with strains isolated from centenarians. After positive results, we noticed the solution can't be sustained because strains are unstable and eventually leaves the ecosystem of the new host. This is because the environmental factors in of the new host's gut are not the same as original conditions, making the solution impossible to replicate and measure at each person. In 2001, we moved to metabolite-based solution with a patented fermentation technology that replicate human real ecosystem. Co-culture of strains and not monoculture, quorum sensing with other microbiomes will produce unique combination of metabolites. The use of audio frequency that create a vibration that promote the fermentation of superbacteria. Produce metabolites as final solution with high bioavailability and gene expression activation. In 2003, Meyer in Vivo in France started to test gene expressions of metabolites, but also started bioprospecting in Versailles Garden, apple trees, starfish microbiota to discover and characterize microbiota. The human body is home to a huge and diverse community of microorganisms referred to as the microbiota. It is estimated that over 10,000 species of microorganisms occupy the human microbiota, weighing 2 kilograms, and there may be more than 8 million unique genes associated with the various microbiomes in the human body. So when we're talking about the good bacteria that is primarily living in our gut, these bacteria actually help us to get some of the nutrients from our food to improving our body's immune function and to support a wall in the intestines. Why don't we bring live bacteria as solutions? To get nutrients from chicken, there is no need to eat the meat. Eating eggs give the same benefits. In the same way, there's no need to consume bacteria. Consuming metabolites has the same effects. Consumption of health beneficiary metabolites obtained by fermentation by selected strains of bacteria outside the body is more efficient method to energize the body. Metabolites enter the stomach, and as they are ready in digested form, they are ready to be absorbed by the body. The health beneficial metabolites travel in the intestines, where they modulate gut microbiota through quorum sensing and reduce inflammation. Metabolites are absorbed through the intestine wall and transported in the body through blood circulation. When absorbed in the cells, metabolites modulate gene expression. The body gets energized by the consumption of fermented metabolites. The metabolite also modulate the gut-brain axis. Skin, gut, brain axis are interrelated and interconnected through pathways which affect global health. It is known that 95% of serotonin is produced in the gut, 1% in the brain, and 4% in the skin. These serotonin will make you happy, improves cognition, improves decision-making, improves sleeping, regulates eating and digestion. Innovation Labo unique solution versus its competitors. The biggest probiotic companies use bacteria from milk, which are weak, sensitive to pH, and is unstable when introduced to a new host environment. Innovation Labo uses superbacteria from already successful models such as centenarians, immortal jellyfish which have been proven to reach longevity and health successfully, therefore are stronger bacteria. Innovation Labo unique technologies. To harvest super microbiota-rich ingredients, Innovation Labo established unique sources from Versailles to Bhutan, where wild and ancient varieties of plants are still produced. Innovation Labo also harvests super microbiota from Mexico jungle cocoa in a 4,000 years old plantation. A strong microbiota ecosystem allows to increase the bioactive in the plants and produce unique metabolites, allowing to have higher and better efficacy. Innovation Labo's holistic approach. Other competitors would find one solution for one problem that will eventually lead to another problem to arise and follows a cascade of maladies. On the other hand, Innovation Labo provides solution with a whole body approach. In this way, a person can achieve optimal health and longevity by restoring and maintaining health of the mind and body. Innovation Labo technology targets hormone regulation to decrease cortisol, the stress hormone, and increase serotonin. Innovation Labo, the secret to success, health, and happiness.